honestly, I don't know yet.
I think she's good on both ends.
She's good at it.
Yeah, she's good on forehand, backhand. She's really good at speeding up, dinking, volley as well. She's an all-round player, and I think everyone is going to look for her in season 2 during the auctions as well.
White has the edge. I think
Ready.
He needs to hold the composure. I think it's going to be a mental game again. So he does hold the composure.
Yeah, because the coach seems slow, so I think her slice will be.
So it is, as you said, it is better for YP.
Yeah, so the slice and the drop shots which she does, I think it will be effective. But I think Veda should be able to figure it out sooner or later. Crowd is all there, both ways. All-star shouting all-star on that side, and Nandi this side. I want Veda to win as I know her from tennis, so I want her to win. But you never know, it's pickleball. It's totally a different sport.
Score predictions.
Ready, both the team players.
I'm too
Ready?
bad at it. I don't think I should do it anymore.
Love all, play.
Yeah, 15-6 Veda.
Side out. Love all.
Nice one, Rishabh. On point.
It's just the beginning, but let's see. What about you, Sid? What's your prediction? Oh, it's a beautiful start
One
by
out.
YP. I think I haven't seen her throughout the league coming up to the net so much, but I think it's very clear that she has come up here. Oh, that's a beautiful drop by YP. Veda didn't have a chance. That's a great drop. Good setup though, cross court, pulling her out and then dropping it to the net. I think only Nikit could have reached that.
Point. Side out.
Strong defense there from Veda.
Love to.
Veda's advantage. That's also fun about that.
Point. 1-2.
Expansive forehand, but doesn't even cross her own baseline.
I think Veda is doing the thing which all of us predicted, especially over trying to put the ball on YP and coming. He tried to convert, but didn't go in her right.
Point.
A great downtime by Veda.
Two all.
He is going to try and make YP stretch, make the court scene as big as possible,
I think YP is trying to keep the point short.
which is the right approach.
Correct.
Side out.
YP
And
Two all.
Sanjay cheering on the on-course error as typical charges.
I think YP should capitalize on this service miss. He should get a few points. Which was a part of the strategy.
Side
YP.
out.
Aggressive, I
I think he was aiming for the Bagel Brigade signage at the back.
A lot of hungry players.
If you're hungry, go to Scusi as well. No rules apply apparently.
They've batted 2-2.
Definitely see a
Why?
different
Side
YP.
out.
From YP. Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, we've seen her attack the net a few times. Very, very unlike her. The past few times I've seen her play, we've seen her being a lot more comfortable at the baseline.
Point. 3-2.
I don't know. I guess I'm lost. Yeah, I'm lost with the Bagel Brigade right now.
Point. Side out.
YP is like, you know what?
2-3.
Give me a freebie, I'm going to give you a freebie as well. Yeah. 3-point back.
Returning the gift back.
Yes. Chargers will be like, we don't accept any gifts. There you go. Big one back.
Maybe she just heard you saying you missed the serve this side, and then she was like, oh, I think I should.
Out.
I think so far,
YP turned up for this game. She's being aggressive with her forehands.
3-2.
I want to see how long this attack will be.
yeah, she's locked in and she's sticking to her strategy, and she's doing well so far. She's up 3-2, serving.
Point.
In the bigger picture, though, all stars need Veda to pull up a socks for this game for them to stand a chance in the entire fixture. Because if she loses this, they're going to go down 3-1. Big men's doubles to
Point.
mixed doubles
Side out.
coming up,
3-2.
and Nadija is feeling strong line.
The second singles also seems like a long match. There are quite a few service changes, service breaks. Good pick by YP.
Out.
Was it the ref calling out or was it the
Arya
charges?
And if you're looking at the second ref saying talk loudly.
Out.
But
Who's the side ref? Saiti or the umpire?
Call అని చెప్తుండు. Call.
that is a good question.
That side.
We heard the out call from Saidin a lot.
That's a late
before.
call.
No. He called out. Ref called out.
Here we are. Everything that we came to watch.
Yes.
Some arguments with umpires. Exactly what we want. Some entertainment, some masa, and a lot more pickleball.
Great.
And 4-2 to the Chargers.
Never a pickleball game until you have
We need some fight.
Today's third umpire is Navya, so she would have been definitely under pressure when
Side out.
the call was really close and looked like they were going to take DRS, and then but they didn't.
We'll be absolutely sweating once the DRS call comes our way. I think he's hoping secretly that there's no DRS calls.
good rally so far. Defense by Veda as well.
Wonderful point from YB, keeping Veda in control.
I think a good strategy. How much endurance like
4-2.
I think she should be as Djokovic-esque as possible, and the lights here playing a trick. Djokovic for all you know, the greatest of all time. Or would the Federer fans agree, but the titles speak for themselves, boys. Let's all go there.
Good try by
Good try by YP.
Yeah, it was a great setup by Veda, and she tried till the end.
That's
It
it.
could have gone anywhere though, but it went outside the court. It's okay. She's still in there. She's 4-2. You're right too, no? A great shot by Veda, setting it up clean.
3-4.
Yeah, it was a good lead though. Like Abhay said, but unfortunately we fell in the court. Veda still looking comfortable. She has it under control. So the scoreline is 3-4.
She's been in such tough situations as well with Satvika and
Side
others.
out.
And sometimes on the other side as well. She was leading with Satvika and then I think she went down. But yeah, she did well on that, I think. So far, both of them not leaving anything, giving them 100% on the court. It's a good serve.
Definitely psyche plays a huge factor here.
Point. Side out.
But someone like Veda
3-4.
or they never give up. Once they're down there. Yeah, but why do you think the Djokovic has gotten the tennis that no one's noticed?
Point.
Wonderful.
Side out.
They look world class.
Wonderful drops.
Yeah.
YP seems pumped.
Absolutely fantastic to watch this drop. I mean, so close to the net.
And I
No
don't think
chance
Veda
for
was
that.
expecting that either.
Yeah. I don't think Veda was expecting YP at the net.
Yeah.
But
Point.
And Veda's still doing well. Veda's still doing well, keeping calm.
that's something that we're used to where when Veda is down, she becomes a lot more aggressive at the net. Crowd definitely chanting Veda, Veda.
Okay, boy, there's no serve now. is the return that set everything up for that point.
Side out.
That forehand crosscourt was really, really good. What do you think?
She's very clear with her strategy. As you can see, she's trying to get Veda in, and then, I mean, actually she's trying to put her back and then give a drop, which definitely working. And there you go.
5-3.
Aishwarya finally breaks the streak from 4. I think she was up 4-1 and then she was stuck there.
All Stars in desperate need of a timeout at this point. I don't think they expected YP to come out in full force the way they did.
Yeah,
So far, YP's drops have been the key to the game.
YP is definitely killing it so far. She's doing really good job to hold.
And Sanjay giving YP her Djokovic drinks as usual. Some supercharged drinks. Don't know what's in those bottles. On the other hand, Veda's getting some tips from both Sam and Ravi. Both the Vermas.
Yeah,
Verma.
Veda still smiling. Our DJ has gone a bit crazy with the loud music, but we're all
DJ,
for
bro,
it.
calm down, dude. Chill, buddy. And Veda's just 2 points down. She's not off by like 5 or 6 points. She's down to just 2 points. She's good.
Yeah.
I think she's still very much in the game.
She must have played 1,000 matches before, so
100%.
must have been in the situation multiple times. And
I think the player's gonna wait till the lights stop flashing. Blinding lights by the weekend. Beat HPL. Infamous Bagel Brigade. I think YP absolutely hates Bagel Brigade. Each time it comes
Side
on the
out. 3-5.
billboards there.
yeah, she's lost a point every time the Bagel Brigade on the skirting.
We know who's not buying a bagel now. 100%.
Veda is already after the timeout. Was it taken by the All Stars or was it
yes,
taken
it was taken by Veda, and then so far it looks great setup. The crowd is all there for Veda. Looks like her whole college is here to support her friends, family.
by the trademark come on from Saidi again.
Point.
The jinx again.
5-all.
Thanks, Sid. A great call out.
Such easy misses are not expected in eliminator matches.
Side out.
I think Veda is
I
like,
think Rishabh, we should take a break from the
Good job,
commentary.
boys.
The two times that
job.
we've said good things about the player and then they've hit the net.
I think nerves. I think it's the nerves for both the players. And there you go. Abhay, I think all of us
Side out. 5-all.
should keep the mic down and then.
Let's hope Veda breaks this streak.
Oh yeah, finally.
Thankfully.
Good serve. A great backhand down.
What
Amazing.
a backhand.
Crazy.
6-5.
Straight to the line. Close.
I think everyone on this team should be very jealous of where we're sitting. Best seats in town.
Yeah, for sure.
Extraordinary down the line backhand.
I think YP should change the strategy of giving it to her backhand now. As she's comfortable now, she's used to it now.
Yeah, as Rishabh said, Veda's backhand is back. But maybe YP needs to use her angles a bit more like she did in the first part of the game.
Yeah, she has to be aggressive and try to go to the net like she did in the beginning. But Veda is not giving her a chance to come in. Oh, that's a great return by YP.
Veda made the mistake of going to YP's forehand and YP saw the Bagel Brigade and was like, screw you, dude. I'm gonna go for it. Did he say chai Nandi charges? Damn. Innovative.
So far, good point.
Side out.
That's a good setup by Veda.
Shout out to the chai maker of the league. Yes, the crowd loves it so much that they created a chant. Chai. Nandi
Nandi
chargers.
chargers.
Yeah.
There's Aniruddha chai. What happened?
Brilliant down the line. Not down the cross court, my bad. By YP.
Side out. 5-7.
Metro. Chai.
So we have it at 5-7 the Nandi's charges serving.
Beautiful cross court forehand from YP.
6-7.
I think she's locking in right now. So this is a game to watch, boys. 6-7. The
think our
fourth match
predictions
is
have been
eliminated.
a lot wrong.
Ramsdale
Singles.
actually win,
Yeah, we thought the men's singles was going to be close, but I guess once the World Cup.
Oh, that was close.
Yeah, that was just out. But YP definitely going for the cross court.
Side out.
Aggressive.
I think
Seven,
they've
six.
gone for the down the line forehand there. What do you think, Rishabh?
No, I think it was good because last time the other side she wrong footed her. And this time I think she was ready on the down line. It was good try. Oh, this was a near miss by YP.
Players. She's the sides.
So is really sticking to her strategy of not giving Veda too much time to adjust. She's just going deep or giving it too away from Veda. Trying to keep her uncomfortable all the time. But yeah, Veda is doing a great job so far. 8-6 up.
So do see that as this is an endurance based game as well as singles. And YP's had some issues in terms of keeping.
Come on, Chargers. Trailing by 2.
All-Stars kind of
Let's go!
by taking a timeout very early on.
Yeah.
Now she can pace out her game.
Yeah, but still that comes to the territory.
8-6.
Me and you know better.
Fair enough. Well said.
But she's much fitter than a Katil.
No doubt about it. Extraordinary shots today.
Out.
That was out.
There we go. We have a change in serve now. Pereira and Pujara by
Rishabh being the pseudo
Side
all-star
out.
supporter.
6-8.
Exactly why.
while wearing a Nandi Chargers shirt. Holding All-Stars.
Rishabh now claiming he's an HPL supporter. Oh wow.
Point.
Wow. Aiming for the stars, crash into the ground.
YP will take it.
Definitely, I'd take that any day.
7-8. Serving.
Yeah, I think Rishabh's prediction as usual is out.
Out.
We are at 8-8, guys.
Wow.
8 all.
Veda with some really uncharacteristic misses on the overheads. What do you think, guys? That shouldn't have been missed.
I think she's.
The ball was swinging too much into her. She was ready to hit over it, but yeah, I think it just came in too much. Looks like the ball is swinging too much today. If you see in other matches as well, the ball is curving around. Oh, that's a
Coach
that's a good setup by YP, but an amazing finish off by Veda.
8 all.
8 all with Veda serving, and that was a brilliant backhand.
Veda
I would say.
psyching herself up mentally. Oh, that's a great return.
Out.
A good return by.
Extraordinary with the backhand, with the forehand crossbar.
Yeah, she's really sticking to her strategy, not giving Veda much time to adjust, keeping her uncomfortable as I said.
Right.
Point.
Good one.
That is what Veda needs to do. She needs to make the court as big as possible for YP.
Exactly.
And so far, she hasn't done that as much. I think she is playing into YP's strengths. Playing for forehands, not playing her run as much. I think she needs to change something in the first one.
Yeah, YP also not making any unforced errors, so that's definitely helping her. And
9-8.
I think she's heard you, Abhay. I think she heard you, Abhay.
no, I was.
Went for YP's backhand like
Out. 10-8.
I think commentators are just jinxing everything, especially me.
Nandi
I
Chargers.
just was talking about Aishwarya's not making many unforced errors, and there you go, there she did.
While we take a timeout.
It's a very key time to take a timeout for YP. Also, seem pretty happy. They seem like they're in control. Sam, anta okay na? Burger kavala? Ice cream kavala? But then after this game. So he's like, listen, I'm telling you, you should wear my shades. So Shant was like, trust me, you do the right thing.
Yeah,
100%.
you have experienced players like Sam and Soli that are right there, and we've seen actually Dushan being a good owner, just seeping in on the information, only telling when he needs to.
Right, I think that's very difficult to do because
Yeah.
as an owner, there's a very fine line between giving advice versus actually being intrusive.
Right.
I think a few owners might overstep their boundaries sometimes, but also captains might overstep their boundaries at other times as well.
let's not name them yet.
Oh, no saying names here. Rishabh, would you care to give some names here?
Myself, yeah, I actually go into the players and I just tell them to do quite a few things, which I feel is much needed at that time. But yeah,
Rishabh proving that he's an excellent captain. Saying the right diplomatic answers.
Point. 11-8.
I think Veda's serves are bordering a bit on the illegal side in terms of height. The last couple of serves were a bit high, but I think she might be inside.
He's slicing a bit more.
Point. Side out. 8-11.
Still not making it hard for YP.
To be this close.
I said 15.
You're right there. I think it was way too
Good
hard.
pickup.
Great pickup.
Side out.
Great pickup by YP, but
Yeah,
Veda is on top of it.
Yeah. All the way through.
Point.
those misses are not acceptable right now.
YP looking a bit tired. You know, if you're a bit tired, you can get some IVs. If you look for IVs, you can go to Bija Diagnostic Center. For all those who care. And yes, if you need a few tests, if you're injured, definitely go down there. Great service from what I know.
Point. Side out.
Veda needs to cool down a bit.
Yeah.
Some ice cream from matches would help. I've heard the Sitaval is great.
Abhay just being himself and promoting all the brands who are associated with it.
Point.
All right.
9-12.
It's the first time YP has broken the Bagel Brigade curse, which is 1 point when the Bagel Brigade logo turned up.
Saidi there on the screen, hyping YP up. What do you think, Sid, then, Abhay? Do you think YP will come back as well or like the last week?
I think it's
Ball out.
completely
10-12.
different game compared to last week. Yeah. I think it's very dependent on Veda at this point.
Yeah. Veda needs to keep a cool. I think Veda just needs to not force it and wait for YP to make the error like that.
Out.
Exactly.
Side out.
And YP going all the way down to player 4 hand.
Because yeah, exactly. She turned the backhand into forehand. Yeah, a very expansive one at that. Almost hit us here. That's the best season.
Point.
The ball hitting the
The Chargers looking extremely happy. Also, guys, if you want to build some happiness, don't look beyond Anvita.
smartly plugging in the brands away.
It's all organic, though.
Point. Match point 10.
YP played out like the Transformers, Optimus Prime, in his prime, just like Optimus Capital.
That is correct. So glad to have Abhay in the commentary box.
And match point to the All Stars.
Match over. Match
Veda
over.
holding on her to take the win.
Yeah, match done. It's 2-2. Very, very tight game.
Yeah, as we didn't expect, but yeah, Abhay was really strong with his predictions and he almost was there on point, just missing it by 1 point.